Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today is your birthday. I hope your day is going wonderful. We are here today. It is Wednesday. It is almost noon. I'm about to hop on my call for the day right now. Hopefully it will be just short and sweet, and then really I'm just trying to have a productive day today because I basically took the day off yesterday, which was lovely and honestly much needed, so I'm very glad that I did that. But there is stuff to do today now, so I need to really focus in and get some ish done. And then I'm so excited because I really want to open and set up the litter robot today, which I will tell you guys all about. It's just a fancy litter box that I have really been wanting to get for Molly Cat. I don't know how she's gonna react to it. Should be very interesting, but I think it's gonna be good. She's a very messy litter cat. She likes to throw her litter all around, so I'm looking forward to having a more enclosed situation that will hopefully avoid some of that litter craziness. So we'll probably do that later this evening. I also think we're gonna play Catan with Connor's brother tonight, which should be really fun. Yeah, it should be a nice chill Wednesday. Very much looking forward to it. Okay, lunchtime. Oh yeah. So I'm just gonna make a quick little rice bowl. I'm just making one of my vegan spicy chicken patties. They're Corin brand, really good. And I'm just gonna throw it into a bowl with some stuff, I don't even know. Call was very quick and easy. Honestly, there's just not that much going on right now. So there wasn't even that much to talk about, We had new neighbors move in, and honestly, we can't hear them very often, but sometimes we can hear them, and it makes me laugh because they sound like total frat boys. The conversations that we hear are always very entertaining. So let's do something sort of fun. How about you guys leave a comment down below with what your goal for the week is? Doesn't have to be anything work related, social related, it could be anything you want, But let me know, what's a goal that you're working towards this week? Looks pretty good. Excited. That's good. Let's go eat. Lunch was delish, and then I got a call from my mom and she was like, did you get something from me today? And I was like, no. But then I opened the door and there was something here. I think it's flowers because it says urban stems, but very cute, little aesthetic pink box. Ooh, Mom, you know what I like. Oh, she said, thank you for coming to New Jersey, surprise me. It was amazing. It really was so kind. I cherish our time together. Love you to the moon and back, Mama. So sweet. Look at that. Beautiful fresh pampas. Ooh, it feels very nice. Okay, let's see. Look at this vase. Oh no, it's broken. No. Very sad. Look at how pretty. Wow. Such a bummer though that it broke. Tell my mom, I bet she can get a refund at least. Hello, I just got your delivery. Well, thank you so much, Mom. Thank you for the note and the flowers. It really was my pleasure coming home to hang.
I wanted you to know how much you really meant.
Oh, good. I'm glad. That was the whole point. So I'm glad that, it was good. Look at that. So pretty. I love it. Right, Molly Cat? Hi. Look at this little cat. She has been all about Mom today. Also, sorry, I was just crying at Grey's Anatomy. I don't know if you can tell or not. Nothing new here. But this little cat came and climbed in. Look at her. I just love her. I just love you. Well, it is now 4:30 and I just finished up work, and that means I'm gonna get a little Sims time in. Very excited. I have been loving, I just bought 2 new packs and I'm loving it. It just makes it so fun when you have some new content to play with. So I'm about to dive into this very productive end of my day here. Good morning, guys. It's the next day now, and I apologize that I just dropped off with vlogging yesterday. Honestly, this leads me to sort of what I wanted to talk to you guys about today anyway. But I do want to attempt to French braid my hair for the first time since getting my little chop done here. We're gonna give that a go. We are almost through March of 2021 at this point, which means obviously we have been in this pandemic for more than a year. Pretty unbelievable to think about, considering this time last year we thought it would just be a 3-week lockdown. But here we are, like a whole year later, and I'm not gonna lie, as far as vlog content goes, like I did not really run out of things. I mean, it was tough. It was hard to come up with things to talk about on the vlog, do on the vlog, all of that. But I didn't feel ever like that there was totally nothing. Like I definitely went through times where I was like, oh my God, I don't know what to vlog about, but it didn't feel abnormal. Like there's always times like that, even during like normal times, not just pandemic times. But I'm not gonna lie, a year into this, vlogs are getting harder for me. I honestly have not felt that weird or burnt out or anything about them this whole time, but past 2 weeks have been challenging. I just feel like there's only so many things you could do at home, you know? So, like, so much you could talk about when there's just like nothing new. There's nothing going on in anyone's life, you know? When I go to catch up with friends, it's like, so how are you? Good. How are you? Good. And that's like sort of it, you know? So honestly, I just feel like I'm at a loss. I think that's why, you know, I ended up skipping a day last week, because also like the vlogs are just feeling repetitive to me. So editing them is just like such a chore. It's just feeling slightly less fun right now, which sucks because I love vlogging. This is not a precursor to anything. Like I'm still gonna be uploading, you know, 3 times a week and pumping out the content and figuring it out, you know, like what choice do we have here? But it's definitely not like my ideal situation, I have to say. Just has been hard. Like I just have not been feeling that motivated lately. But luckily there is a light at the end of the tunnel. We are inching towards it, so that keeps me going a little bit, I'll say. But it's not easy, that is for sure. I guess all of this to say, thank you for bearing with me. Thank you for, you know, allowing me to skip a day last week and take my time with this feeling that I'm feeling, because it's not something that I have really gone through yet with my content during this time. I feel like I've been very lucky to have not fully really gone through that. For some reason, maybe I'm just misremembering, but I feel like I have not been like this out of ideas the entire year. And at one point I was uploading 5 days a week. One of my nails is like a little broken or something, I think, because my hair keeps getting caught on it. It's making the braiding process very difficult. Not my most clean braids ever, but I really don't care. These are like pre-weekend braids just to get my hair with a nice little wave going. Okay, it's lunchtime and Connor just baked up some salmon and I'm gonna try something new in the air fryer, which I am very excited for. Saw like a version of this on TikTok, though I'm doing mine totally differently. Like as always, I find a recipe and then change everything. So I'm gonna try to make these like crispy wraps. I'm just gonna throw all of my ingredients into a bowl. I'm using bell pepper, cucumber, corn, and salmon. Now I'm just going to add like sauce. So I'm gonna do, oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna do sriracha ranch. Basically, I just want everything to be like creamy and yummy. So like put this into your wrap. Oh no. Close the bottom and wrap up the sides. I'm just gonna go straight to the air fryer. This is the air fryer we have. By the way, it's Comfy brand, so very on theme for me. But I really like it so far. Every time we've used it, it's been great. So I'll try to find this and link it down below for you guys if you're interested. But there you go, 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Look at these, you guys. How incredible does that look? Oh my gosh. Very excited about these little crispy wraps. Taste test time.
Ooh, nice crunch.
Mmm. Oh my God. That is delicious. It really is like a 5-minute meal, especially if you have a protein that's already like done. Like I was just gonna use tofu, but so good. Molly, yeah, you wanna go outside for a sec? I'll let you out. Wait, do not run though. I like to go out first because I don't trust you. I want to be out there so I can control what you're doing. Okay, come here. You can come out. Come on. This is the new thing she's doing. Let's see if she does it. Okay, she seems maybe okay, but she comes out here and tumbles around. It's so dirty. Like I don't want her to. Molly, do not tumble. Molly, Gad, I saw that. Stop it with the tumbles, Molly. Tumbling out here is not clean. It's not good for tumble time. So Connor and I are gonna go for a little walk right now because I'm really craving a matcha. I've seen so many people get matchas on Instagram today. It looks so good. Molly, stop it with the outside tumbles. It stresses me out. It's so dirty. Anyway, so many people have gone them today. I've just seen so many and it just sounds amazing. So we're gonna go grab one, I think. Working on a vlog and Connor ran out to Whole Foods and he said, I know, I heard Connor yelling at you. It was very mean.
Deserved it. Fucking ruining my nice couch.
Anyway, he called himself the alcohol fairy, so I had to come out here to see what the deal is. Let's see the haul, babe.
Classic move. Like go to Whole Foods for a couple things.
Coming back with way too much.
Oh, man.
All right, let's see it.
All right. So these were picked up at the market on my way back.
Okay, wait, hold on.
So we got it.
All right, 6-pack of Sapporo.
Only because I was craving a beer for like this afternoon,
Yeah,
and realized that was the one thing I didn't get. So we got our regular groceries, which we needed pepper jack,
cheese,
a bunch of cheese, some shrimp I thought could be yummy to add to it, because I couldn't find any of the meat.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, some tonic water.
Great.
And then here we go.
Oh!
A Mickey of tequila.
That is the largest bottle of Espolòn I've ever seen.
Yeah, I didn't even know they made them this big.
Same.
1.75 liters though.
Love
80
it.
proof. Then we got another handle of vodka. So why my back hurts.
Yeah, no kidding.
And we got a bottle of rosé.
Love it,
That would
Rabble.
be yummy.
That Rabble rosé is so interesting too.
Oh, you're right. And then I got the Velvet Devil
Love.
as well.
Oh my god. Wow, what a haul. I love it.
Not too bad, eh?
You killed it.
I think we're good booze-wise for a little bit.
Yeah, I hope so.
God.
If we're not, then we have to reevaluate our intake.
No kidding.
All right, Connor and I are going to open up the litter robot, which I'm very excited. Got delivered. It is like an automatic litter box cleaner situation. Perform an initial clean cycle that will last about 1.5 minutes. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Okay, let me get you guys a little closer here. Okay, so there are all these buttons on the side here, so we're gonna press the power button. Oh, it flashed. Oh my gosh. Okay, is that supposed to be happening? Yes, it will perform an initial clean. Oh, I'm so intrigued to watch what's gonna happen inside of here. Whoa, yeah, look at that. See how it's turning? Oh my gosh. Oh look guys, see it's turning back in the other direction now, so all the litter will go back into the rubber part where I filled it up. Okay, so I was just reading a little bit about how to introduce your cat to the litter robot, because obviously it's pretty weird. And they say to use a scoop of litter from their old box and just put it in there. That way it's a familiar scent. So I'm going to take some litter that I cleaned out of her box and just dump a little in, and then we're gonna bring her in here and see how it goes. Here's some of Molly's used litter. Just gonna sprinkle that on top there, so that there's a little something that she recognizes. Okay. Okay, I think we should try to show her. Molly Cat, you wanna come see your surprise? She's gonna be so mad at me. Come here, I have something for you. Look at her trying so hard to get away from me. Okay, relax. Check it out, this is for you. Go ahead, explore. What do you think? She's like, I don't know. I want you to just pop in there just once so that I know that you know. Okay, you have a general idea, maybe? I got her some turkey. What's that? Is that your favorite snack? It is? Okay, so... She gets so excited for it. Come here, you have to come eat it up here. That's right, good girl. You want another? Come here. Come here. Yep, come on you guys, step up. Good girl. See, it's not so scary in here, is it? It makes you a little nervous? That's okay, good girl. I do feel like she was already like sort of starting to explore it a little bit though, so. You're such a good girl. They actually gave advice that you should like wait while it's timing and be in like near it with your cat. That way they can get used to the sound when you're like there to reassure them or whatever, so. What's that, Molly? See, nothing to be scared of. Good girl. Good girl. It's okay, nothing to be scared of. It's okay. Yes, that's a good girl. What's happening to your litter? Oh, did a great job getting the little clumps that were in there for me, like scooping her old litter. Hey, Molly cat. Not so bad, eh? Good girl. See, it's not scary. That's your litter box. Yeah, good girl. That's a very good girl, Molly cat. Connor's making dinner tonight and he's making air fryer spicy chicken sandwiches.
Buffalo.
They look amazing. I'm dying, Connor. Great work, babe.
Oh, look at those pieces of chicken.
I know, they look great. All right, look at these. They're about to go onto the panini press just to heat up the buns a little bit, but these are looking so good. I'm excited. Okay, the sandwiches are complete. I am so excited. Oh, Molly. And we're gonna do a taste test.
Oh my god.
Mmm.
My last ones might have looked slightly prettier. And these ones are pretty good. This one tastes really good.
This tastes incredible. All I need some of that sriracha mayo to dip into.
Mmm.
Molly, you're not going outside right now. No. Going back in for some more wine. And this sandwich is still blowing my mind.